everyone, so today's lesson is for 4th grade. Our learning objective is to draw points, line segments, rays, and angles, as well as recognize the various contexts and familiar figures. The vocab that we will be using today is point, line, plane, and line segment. Point is an idealized version of a dot marking a location, having no size. A line is a straight, one-dimensional figure having no thickness and can extend infinitely in both directions. A plane is a flat, two-dimensional surface that extends infinitely far. And a line segment is the part of the line lying between 2 points on a line. I would like to begin by having you get out a piece of paper and a pen and do the following with me. We're going to start off by putting a point on our plane, and this right here is our plane. Yours will be your paper, and you can start by drawing a point anywhere on your paper that you would like. I'm going to put mine right here, and we are going to label this point A. And then you can draw another point and put it anywhere on the paper you'd like. I'm going to put mine right here and label that point B. And then what we're going to do next is we are going to connect point A and point B. And we're going to connect point A and B with a line. You may use a straight edge to do this. I'm using the iPad, so it's a little bit easier for me. But what we have just created when taking a line and connecting point A and point B is a line segment. It is not a line because a line can keep going infinitely far, and a line segment is stopped by the 2 points. Now then we are going to create another line. We're going to start off by putting a point. I'm going to put mine right up here somewhere. And then I'm going to take my straight edge and make another line going through this point we just drew and point A, like so. Now, if you notice, this line continues past point A and past this point, which we will label as point C so that we do not get confused. And we can add some arrows to the end of these lines. And this tells us that line, we'll call it line AC, continues infinitely in both directions. The line segment would be AC, but it can also be called the line AC, but the line is this whole area rather than just the area in between line A and C. Now I'm going to show you how to label all of this. So we can start off with A and B over here. So we have point A and point B, and this area between is the line segment. So we would write it as A, B, with a line over top. And this tells us that line AB is a line segment without having to see the actual image of AB. And then AC can also be written as a line segment like so. And AC can also be written as a line like this. And the 2 arrows on top of AC show us that AC continues infinitely far. Now we are going to do some practice. Draw a line segment to connect each word to its picture. And I'll give you a few moments to do that. So a line is something that continues infinitely far, and we've reviewed that a few times, so we know that that is the one with the arrows. A point is an idealized dot that marks an area, which we know what this looks like. And a line segment has 2 points on the end of it, marking the area in between it. Now we're going to review how is a line different from a line segment, and I'll give you a few moments to think about this. So with a line, you can imagine it as a flat string that continues infinitely far in both directions. Now this is different from a line segment because a line segment is the area of the line between 2 points. This is also a one-dimensional figure, but it does not continue infinitely far. Thank you for watching. I hope that this little lesson on reviewing planes, lines, line segments, and points was useful to you. And thanks again.